In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock all 6 engineer assignments completely solo, super easy, and no stress. Before you dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first step, and this is a prerequisite to doing any of this, you do need to reach rank 10 to unlock the challenges. Play, however, until you unlock then. But from here forward, we're actually going to be using the portal, which you can access by going down to the community tab and then selecting search experiences. Now for all of these, I'm going to be giving you an experience code, and then what you're going to want to do, and I'm just going to show you real quick on downhill.custom, is select the host option right here, scroll down and set a password so that no one joins you, and then select host just like so. You're going to want to do this for every single experience code I give you in this video, unless I say otherwise, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and start with assignment number 1, which is 2,000 repair damage and 10,000 score as an engineer. The strategy is pretty simple for this. You're going to friendly fire one vehicle and repair the other. You don't necessarily need to be in a specific code in order to go and do this. You just need to be in a custom experience that does have tanks, because you're going to want to stand on top of the tank you're repairing so that you stay in range as it moves. Just use a launcher, a stationary gun turret, or anti-vehicle grenades. And if your run reaches sector 2, an enemy tank's going to spawn at B, let it damage your friendly vehicle while you keep repairing. This is only going to take 10 to 15 minutes, and this is actually the easiest out of all of these ones. And then if you still need score, load it into something like the shotgun portal map by just searching shotgun up at the very top. And if you spawn under the ground, change gadgets just because some are disabled. If you want to score quick, just get shotgun kills, get repair tool kills, and run enemies over with the quad. But assignment 1 is overall pretty easy to do. Assignment 2 is when it starts to get a little bit trickier, and you're going to want to use a specific experience code for this. This experience code is going to be Y52JP, and we're going to be using this for experience 2 and 3. So go ahead and select Breakthrough 3 versus 21 and get loaded in. And this is all about damaging ground vehicles. Use launchers and AV mines to do this, but essentially equip the MBT law once you do get into the game and anti-vehicle mines, and just run to A, place mines on the vehicle path, wait for the vehicle to drive over them, finish with the launcher, redeploy, and repeat. This is only going to take 8 to 10 minutes. For assignment 3, we're going to be using this exact same experience code, and this time we're going to be using for part A, the laser designation damage. And what I recommend doing is equipping SLM as well. But essentially just wait for allies to paint the target, shoot while they're locked on, and if allies aren't painting, kill a nearby infantry, and they'll switch targets. For the second part, which is part B, damaging aircraft, equip that SLM, move towards the big burning chimney, hit the aircraft vehicle twice. They'll flare at the first shot. And once again, this only takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Assignment 4, we're going to back out of this experience code and go into a different one. This is going to be experience code YP7X6, and hit done and go to this page right here. Equip the supply crate, and a shotgun is recommended for this, but essentially just deploy crate at A, farm scores using shotgun kills, repair tool kills, and using mines to shoot and get multi-kills. But this one you just are deploying supply crates 5 times and getting a 40,000 score, and it takes roughly about 15 minutes. For assignment 5 and 6, we are going back to the previous experience code, which is Y52J and P. Hit done on this, go back into this experience code. Remember to select host and create a password for these. But essentially, just equip the SLM and stay at spawn on high ground and use jets and helis. And just one shot kill them. You have to destroy 50 aircraft. If they flare, hit them again. And just redeploy when you're out of ammo. This is probably going to take you around 30-ish minutes. It took me a decent amount of time. And assignment 6 is honestly the most annoying one. You have to repair 6,000 vehicle damage in one match. It's very annoying. And yes, this is why we're cheesing it. Use that exact same friendly fire repair method as assignment 1. But in sector 2, do not capture A and go straight to B, just because the enemy tanks are going to continuously respawn. And let those tanks fight while you repair nonstop. The match timer is 1 hour per sector, so you're going to have plenty of time. It took me 27 minutes. Just like that, that's going to be all 6 engineer assignments done in the fastest way possible solo. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.